Welcome to our Outdoor Railroad number 2. Special thanks to Ron Carlson, Baldy and Palms Railroad for the inspiration and the design. As you see in this image right here, you can see our upper bridge, which eventually will be double bridged. But for right now we're just working on getting the main loop completed. This is our garden loop right here. And as you can see, we're working on our perimeter trim to help keep trains from falling to the ground in case we were to have a derailment. Thankfully we haven't had anything yet. Right here we're prepping and laying our track on the slope of the hill. There's our protective mesh on the palm curve. You see that one we use actually just chicken wire. We're actually going to go with a different design for the other curve. And there's me right there working on the siding on the bottom. You can kind of see in the top right hand corner, you can see we did start our retaining wall. And as we move on through the night, you'll see a little bit more. Right here we're mixing a little bit of glue and water together. That's what we use to help keep the grapples secured together and keep them from running all over the place. So right here we lay a bit of glue. We come back and water it down with some water, and it helps it settle through the gravel layers and make a nice rock hard surface. Here we are laying some more dirt for foundation, backfilling that retaining wall a little bit. Then we'll come back and add gravel on top of that. While we're out here working, we also have a train that just got cleared to come through. So finish enjoying watching this train. So that basically concludes our work for the night. Now I'm going to upload just a bunch of footage of the train running throughout that night and into tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, like I said, comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you on them. Thank you guys.